Hello and welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for a chocolate popsicle, or this even doubles as a chocolate ice cream recipe. So to make this, these are the ingredients you'll need. Here I have semi-sweet chocolate chips. You want to buy the ones that melt really well. Here I have heavy whipping cream. Here I have a bottle of whole chocolate milk, and this is midnight chocolate is the flavor of this one. Now you don't have to use chocolate milk if you don't want to, but because I want this to be really chocolatey and milky and delicious, hence the reason why I'm using this. You'll also need some condensed milk. So all I'm going to do now is pop this chocolate chips into the microwave at 20-second intervals, turning in between each interval until all of the chocolate chips have melted. Okay, so here I have my melted chocolate, and to this I'm going to add in some condensed milk. Now you can add as much or as little condensed milk as you like, depending on how sweet you want it. You can always taste it and adjust the sweetness with the condensed milk in the end. So I'm just going to give this a mix. Now I'm going to go in with my heavy whipping cream. I'm just using half of this container. I will leave all measurements down below for you guys, so don't worry. And I'm going in with my chocolate milk. And if you guys didn't have heavy whipping cream and you wanted to use all chocolate milk, you can. So guys, all you do is mix now to dissolve that chocolate into the milk. And if your chocolate has seized up on you, which it just did on me, all I did was pop it into the microwave for about 50 seconds, and then I'm able to easily melt it into the milk. So that's just a tip. You see, even I make mistakes, right? And I'm not going to lie and say, everything comes out perfect. So seeing that I made that mistake, I'll tell you guys that the milk, the chocolate milk and that heavy cream, try and heat it up or warm it through before you add it to the chocolate, because that will make it seize just like it did to mine. So that will just make it easier to melt the chocolate into the milk. So once this has dissolved, then I'll move on to pouring it into my molds. So once you finish dissolve the chocolate into the milk, make sure guys, as I said, please warm that milk, both milk, the chocolate and the heavy cream, warm them through so your chocolate doesn't seize up on you. I was just absent-minded when I placed it in. I knew that you can't add cold stuff to hot chocolate, it will seize up. So that's an honest mistake on my part. So all you do now is fill your molds with your chocolate mixture. And if you guys are interested in this mold that I'm using here, you will see a video for it really soon on my channel, unless I have already uploaded it. And next, these go into your freezer, and they're going to freeze overnight or until they're frozen solid. Now for the rest of the mixture, I'm going to put it into a freezer container. So this is going to be for ice cream. And I'm going to cover this and place it into my freezer. Once frozen, I'll unmold and I'll scoop out and show you guys the consistency of this. You can put this mixture, you need to chill it, and you can also put it into your ice cream maker, or this is so much easier, you can just place it straight into your freezer. Okay guys, so it's been 1 day since the popsicles have set and they've hardened. I'm just going to take one out, and what I'm going to do is run it over the tap just to help loosen the outside so it'll be easier to come out or unmold. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for chocolate ice cream and chocolate popsicles. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!